Would you even ever guess that this is a wig? Today I am going to be trying a wig from UniWigs. Wow. This looks so real, doesn't it? It says in there to gently brush your wig so you don't yank out. Oh my god. I like this. This looks so natural. I had bangs like a long time ago and it was so hard to maintain the look. You know, when you wake up, it's all like that and you have to straighten it and fix it. And I said I will never cut bangs again. So this is awesome. Just when I want some bangs, I can put this on and there you go. Oh my god, I really like it. Tell me that doesn't look natural. Would you even ever guess that this is a wig? It feels like real hair. And the amazing thing about their wigs and hair toppers, you can curl it or straighten it just like your own hair. Oh my god, I like it. See how nice and natural that looks. Oh, and it does not feel heavy at all. Like the other wigs I tried that were not human hair, they are so heavy and annoying and I feel so hot under. This does not. Oh my god, I can't wait to like straighten it. I am in love. Wow. I really, really like this. Wow. See, it looks so natural. I really, really like it.